This morning, opening statements kicked off in the capital murder trial of AJ Armstrong Jr. It's the third murder trial. Armstrong was 16 years old when prosecutors say he shot and killed his parents, Dawn and Antonio Sr., inside their home 7 years ago. Two previous trials were declared mistrials. Adam Bennett, live at the Harris County Courthouse. And Adam, this latest trial was delayed almost 2 months.
That's right. And Ron, today we found out why. A new piece of evidence discovered by the state just 3 days before this trial was supposed to start. And it's evidence that today the defense, including Armstrong himself, said they are fine allowing in this trial. Now, it's important to note, Judge Kelly Johnson, again, she is not letting cameras record any video or audio of the proceedings inside of the courtroom. She's also not allowing the prosecutors or defense to talk publicly about this case right now. This morning, prosecutor John Jordan revealed that newly discovered evidence is blood on the back of a sticker that was on Armstrong's shirt the morning of the murder. They say testing shows that blood belonged to one of the victims, Antonio Sr. But Armstrong's lawyer, Rick DeToto, told jurors that no blood was found on the shirt itself. He also said that the dried flakes matched those missing from the parents' pillow, as well as those found on the bottom of an evidence box. He told the jurors he believes it's a case of cross-contamination. KHU11 legal analyst Carmen Rowe was inside the courtroom watching the opening statements this morning.
I think the most fascinating part about it is that this newly discovered evidence was found under a visitor sticker that was provided to AJ Armstrong by law enforcement on the day his parents were murdered, prior to him entering the interview room with police. This is evidence that's been in the possession of the state of Texas for 7 years. So the notion that we are just now finding this evidence is something that's going to be heavily debated throughout this trial.
And once again, as in past trials, family and friends have come to court to support Armstrong. If convicted, he will be sentenced to life in prison with parole eligibility after 40 years. The Judge Johnson plans to have testimony last through 6 p.m. each day. Right now, my colleague Anieli Ruiz is inside the courtroom following the testimony. We'll bring you the latest coming up at 5. Sherman.